Welcome to the wonderful world of veganism. Going vegan is easier than you think, and I'm about to share the simple steps that will make your transition a breeze. Veganism is about choosing kindness. It's about living in a way that reduces harm to animals. We do this by not eating them. We also avoid products made from animals. This includes things like leather and wool. Many people choose veganism for ethical reasons. They believe animals deserve our compassion. They want to take a stand against factory farming. Others are drawn to the health benefits. A vegan diet is full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Veganism is also about enjoying delicious food. There's a whole world of flavors to explore. You'll discover new cuisines and ingredients. Get ready to be amazed by the creativity of vegan cooking. Choosing veganism is a powerful step. It's a journey of compassion, health, and delicious discoveries. Let's get started. Going vegan might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by making gradual changes. Begin by incorporating one vegan meal into your day. Breakfast is a great place to start. Oatmeal with fruit and nuts is a delicious and easy option. Next, try swapping out dairy milk for plant-based alternatives. There are many options like almond, soy, or oat milk. Experiment and find the one you enjoy the most. You can use these milks in cereal, smoothies, or even cooking. When grocery shopping, familiarize yourself with vegan products. Look for the vegan label on food packaging. It's becoming increasingly common, making it easier to identify suitable options. Remember to focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. There are countless vegan recipes available online and in cookbooks. Start with simple dishes and gradually expand your culinary horizons. Remember, every step you take towards a vegan lifestyle makes a difference. A vegan diet is packed with nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains provide essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. Studies show that vegans tend to have lower risks of certain diseases. For example, vegans often have lower cholesterol levels. This reduces the risk of heart disease, a leading cause of death worldwide. Additionally, a plant-based diet is naturally lower in saturated fat. This further contributes to heart health. Plant-based foods are also rich in fiber. Fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Moreover, a high-fiber diet can help with weight management. By choosing a vegan diet, you're not only making a compassionate choice, you're also investing in your long-term health and vitality. It's a win-win situation. Let's get cooking with some easy and delicious vegan recipes. For breakfast, try a vibrant smoothie. Blend together a handful of spinach, a banana, berries, and almond milk for a refreshing and nutritious start to your day. For lunch, a hearty salad is a great option. Toss together mixed greens, chickpeas, chopped vegetables, and a lemon tahini dressing. Add some quinoa or brown rice for extra protein and fiber. Dinner can be as simple as a flavorful vegetable curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger. Then add your favorite vegetables like cauliflower, peas, and carrots. Stir in coconut milk and curry powder for a fragrant and satisfying meal. For dessert, indulge in a creamy avocado chocolate pudding. Blend together avocado, cocoa powder, maple syrup, and almond milk until smooth and decadent. It's a guilt-free treat that satisfies your sweet tooth. Conquering cravings. Simple swaps for your favorite foods. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle doesn't mean giving up the flavors you love. There are plenty of simple swaps that allow you to enjoy your favorite foods in a plant-based way. Instead of dairy cheese, explore the wide variety of vegan cheeses available. From cashew-based mozzarella to almond-based cheddar, there's a vegan alternative for every taste. Use them in sandwiches, pizzas, or enjoy them on their own. Craving a burger? Try a delicious lentil or black bean burger. These patties are packed with protein and fiber, making them a satisfying and healthy alternative to traditional beef burgers. For those with a sweet tooth, vegan ice cream is here to save the day. Many brands offer a wide range of flavors, from classic chocolate and vanilla to more adventurous options like salted caramel and cookie dough. By making these simple swaps, you can still enjoy the foods you love while staying true to your vegan values. Navigating social gatherings, handling questions, and staying true to your choice. Social gatherings can sometimes present challenges for new vegans. Be prepared to answer questions about your choice with patience and kindness. Share your reasons for going vegan, whether it's for the animals, the planet, or your health. Offer to bring a vegan dish to share. This is a great way to introduce others to the deliciousness of plant-based food. You might be surprised at how many people are eager to try something new. If you're dining out, call the restaurant ahead of time to inquire about vegan options. Many restaurants are becoming increasingly accommodating to vegan diners. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications to dishes to make them vegan-friendly. Remember, you don't need to compromise your values to fit in. Stay true to your choices and be a positive ambassador for veganism. The joy of vegan shopping? Exploring a world of plant-based delights. Grocery shopping as a vegan is an adventure in itself. Supermarkets are now stocked with a wide array of plant-based products, making it easier than ever to find everything you need. Explore the produce section and load up on fresh fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. These should form the foundation of your vegan diet. Don't be afraid to try new and exotic fruits and vegetables. Head to the bulk foods aisle for grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are staples of a vegan pantry and provide essential nutrients and fiber. Stock up on lentils, quinoa, brown rice, and your favorite nuts and seeds. The refrigerated section is another treasure trove of vegan goodies. Look for plant-based milks, yogurts, and meat alternatives. Many brands offer delicious and convenient options that make vegan eating a breeze. Building a supportive community. Finding your tribe on your vegan journey. Embarking on a vegan lifestyle can be made easier and more enjoyable by connecting with a supportive community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals provides encouragement, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. Join local vegan groups or online forums to connect with fellow vegans in your area or around the world. Share tips, recipes, and experiences with others who understand and support your journey. Attend vegan festivals or events to immerse yourself in the vibrant vegan community. These gatherings offer a chance to sample delicious food, learn from experts, and connect with individuals and organizations promoting a compassionate lifestyle. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community of compassionate individuals ready to welcome and support you every step of the way. Overcoming challenges, staying motivated and inspired. Like any lifestyle change, going vegan can come with its challenges. There may be times when you face cravings, social pressures, or moments of doubt. It's important to stay motivated and inspired on your journey. Remind yourself of your reasons for choosing veganism. Whether it's for the animals, the planet, or your health, keep your why at the forefront of your mind. Visualize the positive impact of your choices and the difference you're making. Focus on the abundance of delicious food you can enjoy as a vegan. Explore new recipes, experiment with different cuisines, and treat yourself to vegan treats. Eating should be a joyful and satisfying experience. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge how far you've come and the positive changes you've made. Every step you take towards a kinder and more compassionate lifestyle is worth celebrating. Veganism beyond the plate. Extending compassion to all aspects of life. Veganism is more than just a diet. It's a philosophy that extends compassion to all aspects of life. Once you've made the connection between your food choices and animal welfare, you'll naturally start to question other areas where animals are exploited. Consider the products you use and the companies you support. Look for cruelty-free cosmetics, household cleaners, and personal care products. Choose clothing and accessories made from sustainable and animal-free materials. Educate yourself about animal welfare issues and support organizations working to protect animals. Your voice and actions can make a difference in creating a kinder world for all beings. Remember, veganism is a journey of continuous learning and growth. By extending your compassion beyond the plate, you can make a positive impact on the lives of animals and create a more just and sustainable world for all. A final word of encouragement: your journey to a healthier, kinder you. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards a vegan lifestyle. Remember that every choice you make, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference. Embrace the journey and enjoy the process of discovering new foods, flavors, and ways of living. Don't be afraid to ask for help, connect with others, and celebrate your successes along the way. The world needs more compassionate individuals like you. By choosing kindness, you're not only improving your own health and well-being, but also contributing to a more just and sustainable future for all. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and check out the next video to get more helpful tips on healthy eating. And once again, welcome to the wonderful world of veganism.